Hello YouTube, it's Chelzor the Story, and we are going to watch Dragon Ball Z Abridged episode 53. So grab your snackies, grab your bevies, let me know what you eat, drink it down below. Let's get to watching.
The following is a fan-based parody. Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball Z, and Dragon Ball GT are all owned by Funimation, Toei Animation, Fuji TV, and Akira Toriyama. Please support the official release.
Boy, I'm glad you're a Super Saiyan now. I've needed a good training partner. I don't know Trunks very well, and Vegeta's always so busy and angry. And I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I think he doesn't like me.
Maybe just a little bit. Maybe just a little bit. It's probably fine though, right?
I mean, who wouldn't like me? Maybe you're just too good. Nah, I'm just Goku. And speaking of Goku, it's lunchtime! Well, guess we don't know what time it is anymore, huh? Don't break Popo stuff. Don't break Popo stuff. Dad, don't break Popo stuff. Don't break Popo stuff. What are you muttering? 6th rule of Popo's training!
We're freaking out now, huh? A little late. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Sparky.
Good lord, the lungs on that boy.
Look at him, like, moving the clouds. It's crazy.
You okay, Trunks? You, doing good on air there? And there's the...
Get shocked, idiot.
You, doing good on air there? And there's the twist.
Not to be a broken record, but...
Right, so, no worries. Your, I was gonna say husband, but... Well, I was gonna say boyfriend, but...
Your baby daddy is still breathing.
Yeah, barely.
Well, that's a relief.
On the other hand, Trunks is about to fight Cell.
What? But he's just a baby! Oh, right. The future one. But he's just a baby!
Okay, you done?
Yeah,
That's a big baby.
I'm so sorry about that.
Hey man, it's fine.
My power was rising, I couldn't control it.
No, it's good, go kill him!
Definitely didn't do that because you spared the android or anything.
Well, obviously. Right?
You know, if I had a watch, I'd be looking at my wrist really condescendingly right now.
Krillin, take this. Give it to my father.
You sure you won't need it?
No. This battle was over before it began.
Damn.
Badass.
Was it though?
Also accurate. Trunks, sensu beans heal physical damage. Only therapy will aid emotional trauma. Oh, please. There's not a shrink qualified enough to deal with that hot mess. And speaking of shrink,
Here it comes.
Krillin, go kiss the prince's boo-boos. The big boys need to talk.
Fine, whatever. Leave you to it. Say goodbye, Vegeta.
I'm going to make you pay in blood for what you did to him.
Oh, don't lie, Boy Scout. That must have been catharsis by proxy. He's gonna be waking up for the next 5 years in a cold sweat remembering today.
I'm not a psychopath like...
I mean, probably not. I'm pretty sure he's gonna go through some other stuff, but you know, whatever.
Kind of like you.
Like me.
Does Gohan know, by the way,
Does he know what?
that you let him die?
Dang.
I'm going to power up now.
I'd be disappointed if you didn't.
That's Trunks?
Yeah, pretty astonishing, isn't it?
It's infuriating!
Why? Because the gap keeps widening.
Because he could have A, killed Android 18, B, killed Cell,
Because he pussyfooted around in order to save Vegeta's damn feelings. Like, come on!
Or C, killed Vegeta.
Why Vegeta?
Because I deserve something today.
That's right, keep it coming, boy. I want a real fight this time.
Don't you worry. I'll show you just how much stronger I am than my father.
Damn.
Your father? Oh, no, I'm sorry. I wasn't being specific. I'm referring to the last time we met. Of course you wouldn't remember because you weren't there. I mean, you were, but...
Get to the point!
All right, kiddo, tell me. What do you know about time travel?
Wibbly wobbly, timey-wimey stuff. Wibbly wobbly. The brakes are on, so it makes that noise.
Less than I should.
Well, how do you suppose I got here?
Well, my time machine, obviously.
Yaha? And how do you think I got said time machine?
I don't want to answer that.
Here's the thing. Multiverse theory's a bitch. Fact is you, or at least another you, traveled to the past, saved the world, came back to your future, and finally defeated the androids. Congratulations, son. You won.
But wait, then when did you...
So you decided to celebrate! Head back to the past, get your hair ruffled, and finally get that thumbs up from Daddy Dearest. But you made one fatal mistake. You took away what was mine.
Ooh.
Unfortunately, I couldn't fit in your time machine, so I had to revert to my larval state, made the trip to a year before you showed up, burrowed underground for 4 years, and, well, the rest is history.
Then you're here.
Because of you. But please don't beat yourself up. You're just a child playing hero, complete with spandex.
And you are just another mistake that I have to correct.
Time travel seems difficult. Especially with multiverse. Just seems like it's difficult stuff going on.
I'm impressed. Behind all that angst and ridiculous hair, there's a real fighter.
And behind all that insufferable smarm is a dead man.
Trunks, you couldn't fathom the amount of dead men behind me. Go unreasonably buff bird.
He do keep getting buffer.
Now that might not have done a lot of damage, but damn did it feel good.
Oh, am I sensing an iota of pride? Guess the apple doesn't fall far if you shake the tree hard enough.
That snark isn't going to save you while I'm taking you apart.
First hand holding. And we're talking about taking each other apart. Dang.
If you haven't noticed, I've literally got you against the wall.
And don't think I don't appreciate the effort. By a wide margin, you're packing more of a wallop than Daddy ever did.
And he's packing?
However, you will never, ever defeat me with that form.
But why? It's so strong! Oh yeah, in raw power, it can't be beat. But the amount of concentrated energy causes an extreme expansion in mass. The body can't compensate. And while you'll see a 50% power increase, you'll see a 75% decrease in speed and mobility. You'd never hit your opponent. did you? What just... What?
You did math?
Sorry, was thinking about fighting. I'm not sure what just happened. Silly Gohan. In a layman's terms.
You can't hit me.
The only thing he cares about is fighting, and so he's good at it.
What do you call the last 5 minutes?
Pity.
Oh. Oh. Oh, now I'm mad. If I wasn't mad before, I am now.
Do not worry. He is just playing you. Correction. He's been playing you.
The whole time, man. The whole time.
Why? How?
Because you're green.
Wait, you mean...
No, not like me, you idiot. As in, you're a novice, an amateur. You're surrounded by fighters who have seen more action in a week than you've seen in your entire life. Hell, at your age, Goku had defeated an entire army, several demons, and sent a rabbit to the moon.
Did you make that last one up?
Nope. He did not. Dragon Ball was crazy.
The worst part of it is, that form isn't even new. Watch.
Look at me! I'm Trunks! Please love me, Dad!
See, anyone can do it.
Damn.
That's a terrible impression.
But not inaccurate.
16, you're not helping.
Why are you still here?
For God's sake, I bet even your father can do it. He's just not stupid enough to try. And as we've seen today, that threshold is vast. Now, how about you come on down, stop using that useless form, and quit wasting everyone's time. Jeez, I can't tell which is more shattered. Your father's body or your spirit.
Just get it over with and kill me already.
Whoa, and spirit it is. Seriously, Bucko, way to bring down the mood.
Is this all just a game to you?
Yes.
A game? Hardly. If this were a game, I'd be having fun. Or killing Goku. Now that sounds like a good time. That still doesn't make us friends.
I'm trying, 16!
Fine.
I'm trying to be your friend and your brother, okay? I'm trying. Damn. Okay, I was gonna take you with me.
Go ahead. Fight Goku. But when he wins, and when you die, nobody is going to remember you.
Huh. All right. Change of plans. Turn that frown upside down, Boy Scout. You're not dying today.
What in the... Why?
Careful, Junior. Don't want that gift horse to bite you. You've just given me an idea, Zo. What would I accomplish killing you here? No? The whole world needs to see what it's created.
Oh, what the hell are you planning now?
My revolution. Go take care of your daddy. And make sure to check the news. What channel?
Which news channel are you aiming for, my guy? Which broadcast? Is it... I mean, because it might not be everyone. I don't know. Da-na-na-na. Also, I really like 16 this episode. Like, damn, he's cold.
Well, time to see how well Senzu Beans do with a broken spine. Where am I? What happened? You may have blacked out a little bit. But I'm still alive. He must have realized his mistake and run away. Dude, come on, it's just me. I don't get it. I trained so hard. I reached a new level. And yet, trust me, man, I get you. I mean, my neck's still stiff from earlier. I mean, if I had a dime for every time I had my ass kicked, I might not be in crippling debt. but if I had gotten a beatdown like that, man, I would have hung up my gloves,
You need to quit talking. You need to quit talking right now.
my blue spandex, my ridiculously pointy hair. You're not laughing anymore.
No, you went too far.
Can I get a dime for that?
Nope.
Hey, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And, check out the gaming channel. They're playing Doom. And the Tenkaichi Iron Man Budokai Abridgeathon, where you can be the best abridger ever. Maybe. I guess? Sorry.
I mean, you're the one reading the card, my guy.
I guess it's just a little weird that I'm not dead. Oh, they also have a Patreon. And shirts over on sharkrobot.com. Huh. Well, if you don't mind me, I'm gonna go have a sit.
I'm gonna go sit down and disassociate for a minute and not talk to anybody. That's a mood.